नैव किंचित करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्नन् आश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् स्वशन् प्रलपन् विसृजन् गृह्णन् उन्मिषन् निमिषन्नपि इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्त इति धारयन्. This actually you must practice 1 minute or 2 minutes every day. I don't know, you have to practice. But how? Just see. Observe the observer. Now, Bhagavan says, a jnani, really speaking, there is no kriya. But in his presence, everything is happening. In fact, if you really meditate for some time, over a period of time, you will see all the kriyas are going on, yet you will discover that you are actually actionless. A little meditation, little introvertedness, little focus on the core of your personality, that will do. Once you get this, at least once in life, if you get this experience, thereafterwards, you will live in this verse effortlessly. This cannot be transferred, this cannot be told, this cannot be explained, how it is possible and all. But then you have to just practice it, awareness. As I am now lifting, you become totally live in the presence. You feel the body is moving. The hand is different from me. I can see this. The thoughts are moving the body. More awareness, you can really feel this body is different from you. And you get amazed. A little practice is required. So, Bhagavan says, in all jnanendriya perceptions or karmendriyas, wherever all indriyas are involved, whatever you do, the consciousness is not doing anything. In its presence it is happening. The Shuddha Chaitanya. Then again Ahankar, the reflection of that. Then again surrounded by Manachitti Buddha Ahankar, all those things. And then the Pranamaya Sharira. All this very mysterious, actually not connected with anything. If there is no particular connection, yet there is a connection. How to tell this? You have to experience. One person went to, I was there long back. He's an Air Force pilot trainer, long back I'm talking. He came and he was meditating. So some questions, I said, we said you ask Gurudev directly on the study group and all something. So Gurudev came next month for Yajna. He was asking Gurudev, I was meditating, this is what Gurudev said. Yes, you will understand, go further, he said. What else Gurudev can say? Very good. Yeah, good. You just go. Same path, you are on right path. Go, you will understand. Correct. You further continue your journey, you will understand, he said. And once you discover that you are not this physical body, nobody will get attached to body. One thing I tell you, that in this entire lights are there, focus lights are there, tube lights are there, AC is working, mic is working, so many things are working, all based on electricity. One switch, main switch you off, everything goes off. Every nonsense for entire life transaction, body is Aadhaar for this world. A body drops, everything goes. For a second, the body. your name, your bank account, your wife, your children, your property, your worries. I don't know if you carry with the mind, but all this world is katak, takak. So fragile. So fragile. Nothing will come. Therefore, before Yamaraj comes, you be ready. When he comes, have a cup of tea, let us go together. So therefore, Naiva kinchit karomi, first one. He said, actually I don't do anything. Yuktaha manyeta tattvavit. Tattvavit yuktaha. The very one who is united, the great, the wise man, he experiences, he lives, and he starts thinking first. Naiva kinchit karomi iti. Naiva kinchit karomi, I don't do anything. Actually, all actions are taking place in my presence. I tell you one thing. Why are you here? Because of your vasanas. If the vasanas or chip is transferred, you will be finding yourself in disco club. Suppose the chip is removed and another chip I put in vasana place. All vasanas are removed. Put all disco dance vasanas. You will convert this into a club only. There's nothing great that you have come here. Prakrite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvashaha. Because of vasanas, we are here. If vasanas are not there, you will not be here. So how can you take credit? Bhagavan will tell later on the same chapter. A system is fed like that, the program is functioning. You only have changed the program. So, to say that I am this, I am that, kuch bhi nahi hai. Nothing. You just, the vasanas are not there, you are not there. You don't be here. As simple as that. So therefore, Pashyan, what? While seeing, Shurunvan hearing, and Shurunvan sprusan touching, Jigran smelling, Ashnan tasting or eating, Gachan while walking or moving, Swapan sleeping, Swashan breathing, Pralapan while talking, prattling, sorry, Visrujan, letting it go, Gruhanan, grabbing or seizing, and Unmishan, Nimishan napi, opening the eyes and closing the eyes, Indriyani, Indriyartheshu vartante iti matva, iti vartante iti dharayan. These sense Indriyas always go among the sense objects. मुझे क्या करना है? Let them go. So where you are disconnected between I, the consciousness, and the reflection of the consciousness as ahamvritti, then the vyapara, the entire samsara, and the functions, somewhere you disconnect. And then watch. You feel so relaxed, so happy, so disconnected from everything. Yet everything is happening around you. And people think that you are working. Actually, you are not working. That earlier I am working, that stamp unnecessarily I am putting on every action. Now the stamp is removed. Work is going on. It goes on. Let it go. People, so many people are worried. Swamiji, if everybody becomes sannyasi, what will happen to the world? I said, what is your problem? What is your problem? Let the world don't exist, doesn't exist. What is your problem? Why are you saying mamata that world should exist? Who said that world should exist? जाने दो दुनिया को. The creator created, he wants, that's it. What will happen? To whom? You do your work and get out quickly as early as possible. If you are intelligent. You should not tell like that. Where into this world again? Before death you are telling, I am coming in same family, I will take birth. Ayyo. Kandipa vare, thiripi vare. You have been praying for your death, and suddenly you say you are coming back again. All nonsense. So therefore, Bhagavan says very clearly, the wise man knows that he doesn't do anything. All actions are going on. When you start observing it, when you live in the present, practice it. That I can't explain, there is no time. If you live in the present, actually, there is no present. Present is a myth. Because past is not there, present is not there, when future is not there, where is present then? The moment you call present, present is gone. Actually, it's a myth. When you are living moment to moment in your consciousness, as in awareness, wonderful. The present, only presence remain, no present. You should feel it. The theoretical, stop it. Theory तो बहुत हो गया. वो फटाफट बोलते रहो. So please understand, for simple transaction, don't bring Vedanta in daily life. Well, what is Vedanta in daily life? Give all funny, stupid, third-rate answers to everybody. Whoever asks simple question also. Have you taken food? Who? Allah, to whom you are talking? Who? So many people I saw. One brahmacharini I met. Oh, Chinmaya mission only, she is still there. In some state, not dream state and deep sleep state, in Jagrata Avastha only, in some Rashtra, in some, anyway. So there, with all that love, I asked her, hey, how are you? She said, Yatha Drushti Tatha Srushti. This is the reply she gave. With all love, I asked her, my dear, how are you? After meeting so many times, I knew her. Oh, how are you? Yatha Drushti Tatha Srushti, Swamiji. One brahmachari was asked by Gurudev, where are you? He said, I am everywhere. It happened, I was there. I was present at that time. It came in Tapoprasad also, that particular thing. I am everywhere. You know what Gurudev did? Hari Om, I have not reached that. Gurudev, such a love, he asked, where are you nowadays? I am everywhere. Hari Om. And then he went inside the room. Put his stick there in the hand and then... Another sannyasi, with all love, we had done Paduka Puja, I was the pujari for that, Paduka Puja, Pada Puja, not Pada Puja. We did all Gurudev, just sitting at the feet only early. Our puja is over, then our Paduka Pada Puja, Gurudev was sitting and then was happily there. One sannyasi, I will not name the other organization. I will not name the organization, anything, nothing. So the sannyasi came, with all love, Puja Gurudev said, hey, when is this? Meaning he was changed from yellow to ochre. Sannyas Diksha he took. He brought so many big apple, 200-300 apple also brought. A lot of big basket he brought apples. It was kept there and then Guru with all love, the big seat like this. His friend forward, hey, when is this? The answer should have been given, no Shivaratri or Sri Ram Navami, some date, something you tell na. So when experience came. You know what Gurudev action? He went back. That experience which came is not the experience. Is it where you answer? That experience which came is not the experience. So please don't talk all nonsense in daily vyavahar. Then you are a spiritual. Spiritual means not drunken state of illogical answers and confused statements you make everybody. How is your health? I am trying to drop this. When? No identification with the body. Do that fast, no? Permanently or only temporarily on meditation? No, permanently. Then do fast. Big burden to the country. Therefore, this kind of a thing, awareness is. So Bhagavan says that that state if you achieve inside, naiva kinchit karomi iti, yukto manyeta tattvavid, pashyan, shrunvan, sprusan, jignan, ashnan, gachan, swapan, swashan, pralapan, usrijan, unmishan, nimishan napi. Aha. In all these things, when you are aware, hey Arjuna, indriyani indriyartheshu vartanta iti dharayan. A wonderful thing. Understand this, that indriyani, holding on to this, be aware inside.